Shruti, read the questions.
The following was the balance sheet of X, Y, and Z as at 28 February 2017. The firm was dissolved on the above date on the following terms.
Okay.
Debtors realized
Okay, so first we
29,000.
are going to start with the realization account. Okay, beta? The realization account. Okay, start with the realization account. It's the question number 8. The realization account. The realization account. What we are going to start? First, we are going to copy the all assets and all liabilities. Copy the all assets and all liability. Okay, start with the liability side, beta. Start with the liability side. First liability is
Creditors
printer. Amount
30,000.
30,000. Okay, beta. Next.
Bills payable
Amount
10,000.
10,000. Then next.
G's loan
Z's loan. Amount
18,000.
18,000. Next.
Y's loan
Y loan is the partner's loan, beta. Okay, and partner's loan we are not going to take. Okay, beta. Y's loan is the partner's loan. Okay, and partner's loan we are not going to take or transferred. Okay, next. After this, anything
workman compensation reserve.
distributed? Anything else?
The workman compensation reserve.
That will not transfer. That will directly distributed in the capital account. Okay, beta. Then go for the asset side. Asset side first, beta.
To bank.
Bank we are not going to take for the making of realization account. Okay, bank and cash both. Okay, next assets.
Debtors
Debtors. Debtors. Provision is there or not?
no sir.
Debtor amount is
48,000.
48,000. Okay. Then next.
Stock
Amount beta
19,000.
19,000. Then next.
Furniture
Amount
43,000.
43,000. Next.
Land and building
Land and building. Amount
1,09,000.
1,09,000. Anything else?
No sir. Z capital is there only.
Capital. Okay. Up to this is clear. It's a copy. On the time of making of realization account, first we are going to take the copy as a copy only. Take all assets, debit side, all liabilities, credit side. In the time of taking the liability, we are going to ignore capital, any reserve, any foreign. Okay. And on the time of taking all assets, we are just going to ignore the cash. Okay. Now just go on the outside of this balance sheet. Okay. Read the line by line and whatever which way we are going to sort these all, we are going to insert. Okay. First put here buy cash. Okay, beta. Shruti, read outside the balance sheet. Start.
Debtors realized 29,000.
Debtor realized 29,000. So just put the main heading is cash and then debtor 29,000. Okay. Next.
Creditors and bills payable were paid at a discount of 10%.
This side, two cash main heading, then creditor and bill payable 10%. Okay, 10% discount. Just take the 10% of discount of this both. Creditor amount beta
The 3,000 and 1,000.
creditor amount 30,000, bill So it means 27,000 and 9,000. Okay. What amount will come in? Just 36,000 outside. Okay, beta. On this way we are presenting. On this way we are presenting. Okay, beta. Okay. Next.
Stock was taken over by X for 17,000.
By X capital. Anything taken by the partners, so that will transfer in the capital account. X capital amount, beta.
17,000.
17,000. Just take outside. Okay. Next.
Furniture was sold to K for 20,000.
K is outsider. K is the outsider. It means they will go in the cash furniture in cash. 20. Amount beta 29,000.
The 20,000.
20,000. Furniture will be 20,000. Okay. Next.
Land and building was sold for 2,98,000.
Land and building 2,98,000. Okay. Next.
G's loan was paid by a check of the same amount.
B's loan by paid to buy cash. Put in the buy cash. In bracket G loan. Same amount and G loan. Sorry, this side. To cash G loan. Amount beta 18,000. Next.
Compensation to workmen paid by the firm amounted to 15,000.
Who? Repeat again, beta.
The compensation to workmen paid by the firm amounted to 15,000.
From the workmen compensation fund and difference amount will distributed to the partners. Okay, beta. Next.
So done.
Finished. Just see.
Yes.
Actors sold, furniture sold, stock taken by the X and building. All things finished this side. Creditor and building loan. Okay, it means we are going to say just finish all the things. All assets sold and all liability paid. Any type of expenses given, beta? Any expenses given or not? Just see. Revaluation, realization expense. Expenses given. Okay, no problem. It's not given. Then go for the balancing both side. Okay? Just see profit coming or loss. It's coming in a profit and loss. Okay, just take this totaling at this side. $3,47,000 outside. All things outside. Just start totaling it up. Okay? Everyone. Okay, that side. And this side total is 1,00,000, 1,40,000, 1,50,000, 1,90,000, 1,90,000, 2,00,000, 2,30,000, 2,30,000, 2,44,000, 2,53,000, 2,56,000, 2,65,000, 2,73,000, 2,73,000. The difference is coming. Profit will come better. What amount is came? Profit is 1,49,000. It's came 1,49,000. Okay. Just put here profit 1,49,000 to profit that will distributed in the partner X, Y, and Z in his profit sharing ratio. Okay. this is the realization account. Now I am going to make the capital account, beta. Everyone copy it because we need it. Here, X is taking the things. Okay, just start capital account. Capital account, beta. Three partner is there.
Yes, sir.
So 3,000 for amount. Start beta by balance. Okay, tell me the capital, beta. By balance. Capital of
Sir, 75,000.
75,000 and
85,000.
85,000 and Z capital given the asset side, beta.
Yes, sir.
Z capital asset side, so this side. To balance amount, beta.
For 20,000.
20,000. Okay. Go for next. Just see in balance sheet any type of reserve or surplus or profit and loss or any type of fund that will distribute the partners. The dividend performance compensation fund, beta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Compensation fund amount, beta.
33,000.
And that charge.
Sir, paid by amount 15,000 were paid.
Difference amount will distributed. So 33,000, 15,000. It means 18,000 remain.
Yes, sir.
18,000 distributed to the partners. Okay. What is the profit sharing ratio? Profit sharing ratio.
So not given.
Not given. See it again.
No, sir.
So 6,000, 6,000, 6,000. Clear? Then go for the revaluation account. Just see the revaluation. There is the profit, beta.
Yes, sir.
1,49,000. Just divide in three parts. Just divide in three parts. 1,49,000. What amount will come? Divide beta fast. 149 divided by 3. What amount will come? Just take like that. 149 divided by 3. Then 4 by 29. So beta,
The point is.
it will come in point.
Yes, sir.
So then profits and losses given in any place. You are not seeing. The balance sheet is there. 33, 15. No problem. If point is coming, then take in the point. No problem. Just ignore the point. 4 times, 9 times, 29, 3, 6, 6. Okay. And 6. 49 equal 6. 49, 6, 6, 6. 49, 6, 6, 7. 49, 6, 6, 7. Okay. On this one we are adjust 7, 7, 14. And 6. Let's go. Okay, clear? Now just see the realization account. There we are putting by X capital. We are putting the data. So to realization, just transfer on the debit side.
Yes, sir.
In realization credit side, what amount is there?
17,000.
17,000 in X. Okay. Now again see anything is there that will distributed. Remain nothing. I think nothing. Now we are going to balancing these all. Let's start. Everyone, let's start balancing one by one. This side 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 5, 6, 6, 7, 3. It's a 2 cash. Okay, it's came. $35,600. It's came. From on the side 6, 6, 7, 0, 14, 6, 6, 6, 13, 1, 3, 0, 6, 1, 4, 0, 6, 6, 7, 1, 4, 0, 6, 6, 7 here, 6, 6, 6, 3, 1 and 7, 1, 1. Okay? These are the cash. Okay? After that, we are going to make the cash account with us. Okay? Last, I think all answer will come, Nata. We are coming on last. Cash account, if cash will match, finish. Cash balance is given, beta. To balance BD. What cash balance is given in the question, beta?
The balance.
Cash are buying. Cash are buying, beta. On top. What amount is given? Shruti.
Yes, sir.
What amount is given?
32,000. Bank.
Here. 32,000. Okay. Now we are going to start. Just see the realization account and put the amount. What cash amount we are putting on the realization on debit side? Just put on the credit side. What things we are putting on the realization credit side? Put on the here debit side. So first put this cash by X capital, Y capital, and Z capital. Okay. 1, 1, 3, 6, 1, 4, 0, 6, 6, 7, 3, 5, 6, 6, 7. Okay. Now here is finished. Just see the realization account and see the debit side. What cash we are putting, beta? Tell me. By the seeing of realization.
Sir, in debit side, creditors. To cash 36,000.
Total cash, total cash. Give me the total cash.
Sir, 36,000.
Total is 36,000. Okay. And anything else? G loan. G loan.
Sir, in debit side, 2 times we have written to cash.
Okay, 2 times we have cash, beta. 2 times. G loan.
18,000.
G loan amount.
18,000.
18,000. Okay, both we are putting here. Okay. Now nothing else from that side, beta. Only two cash
Sir,
heading.
from yes, sir.
Finished. Come on the credit side. Credit side of realization account. Just tell me the cash heading only. Realization.
3,47,000. 47,000.
3,47,000. Any other case?
No, sir.
Finished. Okay. Then add and one loan. Y loan is there, beta. One Y loan is there. So Y loan we are going
Yes,
to buy the loan account, making the loan account. In loan, buy balance, and then two cash. Two cash transfer here. Buy loan. Amount beta. Y loan amount is
20,000.
20,000. Okay. Now before the coding. The answer is 379. Okay. Now it's came. Okay. On this way, we are solving the full question of this solution. Okay. First, we are make the realization account, and always keep in mind all the cash transaction written is very clearly. Okay. Then capital account, then cash book. Okay. Clear? Okay.